Hello guys, for this video I just want to show you how you can use my new libraries SDK Venom, which is you can find pending transaction in mempool. So just want to let you know there is two different things that you need to understand when you try to find pending transaction. The question is, you want to try to finding pending transaction on that actually already min, or the pending transaction that before min. Why min is everything transaction must come to the main pool first, then after its access it will go to the public node or public block, so you can find the transaction. Now for this video, for these libraries, I want to show you how you can get a transaction very fast way, and this will be happen on mempool scan. Alright, so basically in mempool, in the transaction there is no block numbers, there is no data, there is nothing. So that's why I mean to find a latest pending transaction on BSC. Incoming soon I'm going to make pending transaction, same goes on like BSC, but I'm going to do on Solana. So now let's jump into it, how we can do that. So first we need to create a new folder. Just name anything. For this example I'm going to add pending TX for our main folder. Okay, so it's just nothing. So what you need to do now is we need to go open terminal. Hold on, you open terminal. So you must go to your correct path, which is for this example is pending TX. So now what you need to do is just write down npm install SDK Venom. So this will be install all the dependencies, but for this new dependencies is only for pending transaction for current now. I will update up to date, and I will update more and more and more. So for this now I just want to show you how you can get a pending transaction using our libraries and in short code. So it doesn't require a lot of scripting and everything. Is everything done by the libraries. So you upload all the dependencies about the pending transaction. So you just wait for a few seconds. It will not take a long process, so just be patient and everything will be done in few seconds. So once it's done, you can see there is a pending transaction. There's a package on your main folder on pending TX. So now we are trying to create a new file, or you can create something like this. You can create new folder, we call it script. Then under script subfolder you can create a new file, test pending.js. Alright, so on here now I'm going to show you the normal scripting first. So first you need to destructioning your import. So we can call constant the function name is pending if you want to, then require SDK Venom. So that's pretty much of it. So then this is for callback. This is for callback. Also function to handle pending transactions. So what you're going to do is we're going to do the function first. We can call handle pending. You can call any names actually. Alright. And then we can just console.log new pending transaction. You can call that. Alright. Then on here we can do for default, which is already built in together with the WebSocket provider, so it doesn't require to add anything for your WSS or HTTPS. But of course, if you are looking for pending transaction, we are using for socket. So when you use function BSC pending, you doesn't require anything to add any WebSocket. But if you are using for pending Venom BSC pending 1, then if you try to add something on here, under your function, you need to add your own WebSocket, because this function doesn't build in together with our default WebSocket, so you have to add your own WebSocket on here. But for this example, I'm showing you the function number 1, which is you doesn't require to add the WebSocket. So now we do console log starting test 1 to ensure that you understand which function is this. So as default, it is built-in WebSocket listener. Alright, so now we do constant default listener. Let's do for the function. Okay, I will show you many ways or style variety that you can use my function. It's not just this is a normal way, but you can do more short. I will show you later. So now we call default listener, then handle pending transaction. As you know, this is built in together, so there is a function that you can call for gas price if you want to use gas 5, something like this should be. Alright, so let's test for this one. So we are going to do on pending. Okay, then we go to scripts, then we can call test pending. So as you can see, it's showing you transaction that actually okay with skip. Alright, this is normal way to detect pending transaction, and the response is raw response come from the block, so there is no other information, just for pending transaction detection. So now we show you the more easiest way you can use instead using kind of this. So first you need to, let me clear first this constant. It's very easy, guys. We are using function number 1, require. Okay, so this is actually, you really need to do this because or else you can call the function. So now we're using new Venom BSC pending. We call the function start listening text. Sorry. Then we can call for console.log text information. Then should be like this. Hold on, there's something not right here. New Venom. So we can call listening, start listening. Okay, hold on, there is something not right here. We can call start listening. Should be under here. That's the correct way. Console.log transaction.This. Alright, so that's all. So you just need to run. It is more easy to get instead of skipping transaction. So you can see that found in pending transaction detection, block number is null, status null, log and data. This is for data information, is more to method function. There it can be a proof function, it can be swap function, so you have to decode this. But yeah, it's very fast to detect transaction with just 2 lines, or you can use the normal way that I show you on the beginning. And also actually you can use something like this. Require we do SDK Venom. I show you many variety if you want to use Venom BSC pending prototype start listening .call. Then you can use new require SDK Venom. It depends on you actually if you want to use any of the code. BSC pending, right? So you can close this and show TX. Console.log transaction.This TX. So actually here, oops, no wonder, hold on. I'm sorry guys, again, require, okay, we just use SDK Venom, and then Venom BSC pending for the transaction 1, we use this. Then we can call prototype, then we can call start listening, and call, not caller, just call. Okay, then new require, again SDK Venom. Okay, calling the function. Okay, once you call the function, you can use this. Then after that, you're going to call tx console.log transaction txs tx. So I think no error, so let's clear this. Yep, it's working like what we want. So this is, guys, actually you can explore more, you can do your own scripting style to ensure that you can get pending transaction, and of course it giving you a pending transaction very fast, but this is just base information, so you just need to do some filtering what kind of method that you are actually looking for based on the data. Some of the data is actually came from any function method, so if you have your own method function that you are trying to listen, so you should filtering something. But yeah, so this is my Venom SDK libraries. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day.